This is the story of a brother who refused to give his sister her rightful share in inherited property, and how justice was finally served by the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The name of the person involved was Abid Hussain. After the death of his parents, Abid claimed that all the property had been gifted to him by his parents during their lifetime. Based on this claim, he completely denied his sister any share in the property. His sister, however, strongly disagreed. She stated that no such gift was ever made, and that, according to Islamic law and Pakistani law, she was legally entitled to her share. Seeking justice, the sister first approached the Sindh High Court. In the Sindh court, she clearly told the judges that her parents had not gifted the entire property to her brother, and that she was being unlawfully deprived of her rights. Unfortunately, the Sindh court failed to deliver a proper and timely judgment in her favor. After facing disappointment, financial burden, and emotional stress, the sister did not give up. She then took her case to the Supreme Court of Pakistan. Standing before the highest court of the country, she repeated her claim that her brother Abid Hussain was falsely asserting that their parents had gifted him all the property, while in reality she was entitled to her lawful share. The Supreme Court carefully examined the case, the evidence, and the applicable laws. The court concluded that under Islamic law, as well as civil law, a sister has a guaranteed share in her parents' property. No one has the right to deprive her of that share through false claims or manipulation. The Supreme Court then issued a powerful and historic verdict. The court ordered Abid Hussain to immediately give his sister her rightful share in the property. But that was not all. The court also imposed a fine of 500,000 Pakistani rupees on Abid Hussain. The reason for this fine was clearly stated by the court. Because of Abid's actions, his sister was forced to visit court repeatedly. She had to hire a lawyer, spend money on legal expenses, and suffer mental and emotional distress. The court ruled that Abid must compensate her for all the trouble and hardship he caused. This decision sent a strong message across the country. Oppressing sisters by denying them their inheritance will not be tolerated. The Supreme Court made it clear that delaying justice and harassing women through legal tactics is itself a punishable act.